Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking into how we can actually manually backup your SQL accounting database. So if you'd like to know how to set up a scheduler backup, click on the link on the top to see how you can actually do it yourself. So for manual backup, there are actually two ways of doing it. Option 1 is when you are inside SQL accounting like this. We just need to come here to File, come here to Backup Database. Alright, so if you want to add any folder or location, we just press the plus sign here, and then we can say add local storage. So you can say, okay, we want to backup to desktop, press select folder. So now you can see it's going to backup in 3 different locations. So users can actually choose and decide they want to backup in multiple locations. Once set up, we just press backup. Alright, so the system will backup. Done. Okay. So before we continue, click like and subscribe to help us reach more people and help them with their accounting issues. Okay, so for option 2, you actually can do it before you log into SQL accounting. So from this screen, we just press the 3 dots here. Alright, so you can see all the different database that is available in your system. So let's say today I'm the backup testing company. We select it here, we just press backup. And then they ask you for your admin password, log in, press OK. And then after that, you can actually see the previous folders that we actually preset is already here. So once we're done, we just press backup and then your backups are done. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to actually manually backup your SQL accounting database. We really hope that you find this guide helpful. Thanks!